In this video we're going to see the newest shopping mall in Bangkok, the Emsphere. And I'm going there for one reason, that's to see IKEA, this big furniture company from Sweden. That's so classic company in Sweden. So for me to come here to Bangkok and see this store is going to be crazy. Everything is in Swedish and so quite exotic for me to come here to Thailand and see this big classic company. I remember I go there ever since I was a small kid. Okay, let's go to Sukhumvit 22.
Let's see where we can find IKEA.
And his idea to screw the furniture apart and then screw them back together again when you come home, so you can easily take them from the store to your home. That was the idea from the beginning. He's starting in his garage and the count is small on him.
One other idea was also to make things cheap. And now they also have restaurants in IKEA, and usually it was cheap to go there and eat, really cheap, but today it's become a little more expensive to eat. So this is going to be very interesting to me as a Swedish person to look at IKEA in Thailand, Bangkok. I think they have more IKEA in Bangkok, maybe two. I've been in Phuket one time and then have a very small IKEA there, but this IKEA is very big. And today almost all IKEA has no cashiers. It's self-check-in, self-service, self-payment. So they save a lot of money to do that. And people lose their jobs because of this kind of feature. See if we have something typical Swedish here. Cinnamon bun.
We have the pepparkaka, ginger snaps.
That's typical Swedish. It's crazy. It's like coming into IKEA in Sweden, because everywhere in the world the IKEA looks the same. It's how it's supposed to be. And this Ingvar Kamprad died several years ago with billions and billions of dollar in his pocket. And this company was never out on the trade market, stock market. And what Swedish people get annoyed about, it's he never paid taxes for this company in Sweden. He has the company written in Switzerland because it's very low rated taxes in Switzerland. But he give a lot of people work also. The man's shirt say hello in Sweden. Even have the Swedish name of the products, because IKEA is famous to have this funny name for all the products they have. Oh, everything is in Swedish. This is so funny. Gallant. It's like excellent. Office chair, 2,000 baht, that's about $60. For Sweden it's cheap, but here in Thailand I think it's expensive compared to the average income they have in Thailand. I think the prices here in IKEA is expensive. A small wooden table, $30. They sell whole kitchens. Råskog. Oh my god, these names, it's crazy to see them here in Bangkok, Thailand. These names, Kungsfors, King River. Most famous furniture they have is the bookshelf called the Billy. Swedish cafe here in Bangkok. I need to buy something to eat here. I need to do that. And start with a coffee. I'll take here. Yeah, thank you, cup. $39 for the coffee. That's about $1.30. Marinated salmon, 180 baht. That's expensive. Amazing. But the prices for a Thai person, it's not cheap here. I need to eat some breakfast. Smoked ham and cheese wrap. I'll take that.
$118 baht.
Sorry, cup, please.
Really cool.
I think this is the best view you can have from an IKEA. I have never gone to an IKEA with so big, great view. So let's see if this is Swedish coffee. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Ham and cheese wraps. So this costs 119 baht. It's $3.50 for coffee and 2 wraps. Swedish candy. Hej då, savadikap, lagom. Peppery, spicy. Everything is in Thai, but the names still in Swedish. I must respect Ingvar Kamprad for that. Should be proud of your heritage. Classic IKEA bags in Sweden. Everybody use these bags to put stuff in it when they go on a picnic or whatever. Oh, it's just so cheap and strong bags. It's become a classic one in Sweden. People use these for other reasons, not just to buy stuff in IKEA to take it home. Save the bag for later. I use it for wood when I'm going to the forest. It's not just furniture. The idea was furniture from the beginning, but now they sell everything from flowers till toys for children and Kallax. That's an airport in Sweden. There is no cashier here, it's all self-service here. Thank you. They have no cashier at all, you don't see. Ferrari, Roma, Spider. So, where we go now? I have no clue whatsoever. It's so big, this Emsphere, this new big shopping mall complex here in Bangkok, Sukhumvit 22. Amazing how expensive these cars are. Would not even go near them because I'm so clumsy, so I'm going to scratch the paint of it or something. They have a roof bar here with a beach, a swimming pool. You can swim and drink beer there. I need to go up there.